Hello. Get. Today I got in my Boxycharm and I'm super excited because there is a lot of cool stuff in here. I already peeked, I already looked, and it's so, everything is like just like amazing. So first of all, this is what the Boxycharm looks like. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you can get full-size beauty products for a discounted price. So I love Boxycharm. They sent me lavish brushes, and this brush I have been wanting for forever. This type of brush. This is for like eyeliner. I'm a beauty guru and I don't even know. This is pencil brush. This is for eyeshadow. This is for the crease or blending, whatever. And then they sent me this iconic London Illuminator. I don't know. Oh, it's kind of messed up, I think. I don't know if this is gonna match my skin tone, but I think I can mix it in with my foundation. Let me swatch it and see if it would work like that. Oh my gosh, it is pretty. Nope, I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Whoa, okay, but that would be a really pretty highlight. Okay, I just highlighted my whole hand. I think maybe I could put that with my foundation, but I wouldn't really try it. It's a nice one for my skin tone. I just think it might have a little cast shadow on me because I'm really white. I have a mini version of this. I never bought the big size, so thank you for providing me with the big size of the Porefessional Primer. This is a really, really good primer. I really like it. I got these two gel paints from Illuminator, pink and blue. Oh, it's like eyeliner. This reminds me of 80s. And then last but not least, we have the Caramel Melange Zoeva palette. Now the palette looks like this. Pretty neutral shades. Should I do like a purple look? I want to do a purple look. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I have enough storage for this, but let's try it out. Ooh, first I get to use a product in here. The Porefessional. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love getting my Boxycharm, literally. It's like amazing. Yeah, I think it's like silicone. Okay, so for the sponge today, I'm using the microfiber velvet sponge from Juno & Co. This is like one of my favorite sponges, and I found a new one that was in a box somewhere. And my sponges from Morphe are gonna be here in like a week, so I have to use this in the meantime, which I'm not complaining about at all. I'm going to put on foundation with my mirror, my trusty mirror, my phone right here. I'm gonna use quite a bit. I'm just gonna do a whole pump. Okay, there we go. And now it's time to blend. Okay, so I'm using the Morphe concealer. It's really, really good. I highly suggest it. And the Anastasia foundation is amazing. This sponge is just really good. Oh my gosh, my face. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow, some concealer on my eyelids because my face really be looking weird like that. Okay, now I have powder. Dogs, can you quit? It's my dog attacking my cat because my cat is under the bed. Just gonna powder the rest of my face. Now I'm going to do bronzer. Shady Biz from Fenty Beauty, we already know. Now blush. Seduce from Tarte. Like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Please, someone help me. Bro, literally, what the heck? Now I'm gonna do brows. I'll be back. So I've done my brows and it looks like I have a unibrow. And I just don't know how to feel about it. Okay, but I'm going to use the Rivera palette. No, the Morphe, what is this palette? Morphe Artistry I don't know what palette this is, but it looks like this. And I'm going for a purple look today. So first I'm just going to go in with a cream and put that all over my lid. I guess I'll zoom y'all in. So I'm just gonna go in with like a cream all over the lid just to like set the base. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with like a brown tannish color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as well. Now I'm gonna go into this mauve purpley color right here. Right there. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. I mean, not on my lid, in my crease as well. Bambi, stop. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the Rivera palette, and I'm gonna go into Monte Carlo, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. That's the color I want. There we go. It's like more of the color I was looking for. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into a different type of brush, a packer brush, and go into this purple. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Okay, we have applied the purple. Now I'm gonna go back into a little bit of purple with Monte Carlo mixed together, and I'm gonna just blend it together so it blends nicely. Okay, so there we go. Easy peasy. I'm gonna go into Bahamas, and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. So that is it for the eye look. You dig? I don't know what to do now. I guess I'm gonna put setting spray on it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this lip product right here. It's called Bare by HALEYM. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Oh my gosh, there is so much. It's like a nude, a dark nude. Well, dark for my skin tone. Okay, so now lastly, I'm going to put on the mascara. I'm going to use the Grande Drama mascara, and I'm going to put that on my eyes. I don't know if I want to put on falsies because I just hate falsies like so much. Like, I just don't like them at all. I mean, I want to wear falsies, but I don't want to cut them. I might have to put on falsies because my lashes do not do this look justice. Actually, they kind of do. They kind of do, like a tiny bit. And then bottom mascara. No! enough, to be honest. So yeah, that's the makeup look. There's really nothing else for me to do. I can do my hair, but I can't. So this is it. This is the look. This is the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow my socials, they'll be in the description down below. Listen to my new song, I Miss You, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.